Welcome back. Thanks for clicking on my video. I hope you enjoyed my last videos, and I want to put in this video together what to do in Moalboal. I think there are like two main attractions that everybody should do if you're coming to Moalboal. The first thing is the Kawasanwaterfalls, the canyoning tour there, and the other thing is the sardines run, what you can do also in Moalboal. So in Moalboal you have like a lot of places where to stay, but there are two beaches. The one is in the north is the White Beach. What you can see in the drone shot here right now. I made another video where I arrived there a little bit more. If you want to check that out, check that out. The other one is Panaksaman Beach, where you can just go in for the sardines. That's also a little bit more busier part of Moalboal. So if you don't want to ride around with a scooter or to go into the city, it's maybe your destination to stay. But enough to that, and let's talk about the Kawasanwaterfalls. This is part 1. Let's go. To the Kawasanwaterfalls, it's when you do the canyoning tour there, you pay normally 1,500 and you have around 7 jumps. So it's like a half-day trip. You go over there for 3 or 4 hours, and you should start very early in the morning. So we had a pickup at 6 o'clock from a tricycle driver who was also our guide. And then afterwards we got really nice food. What I can really recommend you was the company I Can You. I will write it down in the section below. And yeah, to get an idea how it was and how it looks there, I will show you a small video now. For the first part, and let's go first. To the Kawasan Falls. Now we have approximately 15 minutes hike through the jungle, and then we come to the amazing 10-meter jump. Unfortunately 12 meters close. We're directly next to the waterfall, but yeah, at least I have the 10 meters to go. Very excited about it.
Welcome to Kawasan Falls.
So I hope you enjoyed the pictures of the canyoneering tour. Just again, it's 1,500 with a good food afterwards, so it's a really nice tour, I have to say. I couldn't do the big jump there, but just for you to know, I came back for that, and it's gonna be in another video where I just driving around, where I do sometimes my like day adventures that I do. This is gonna be here is more like a more review about that area. And yeah, check out part 2 for the sardines run with also some nice pictures of snorkeling, and then I decided to go diving, so yeah.